The AI world is moving very fast. Every day there is a new tool or a new hack. This creates a very big problem: information overload. You see all these tools, but you don't know which one of them is the right tool for your specific problem. You might be using a complex tool for a simple task, or a simple chat for solving a complex business system. It makes you feel lost. You worry that you're falling behind or building the wrong way, because without a map, you're just guessing your setup. But you want to know exactly where you are today, and more importantly, you want to know what the next level of automation looks like for your business. This is why the Starter Kit includes the three core frameworks: the APL, the AAL, and the AOL. The APL stands for Agent Power Levels. This PDF shows you the 4 levels of power from a basic browser chat to a multi-agent system. The AAL stands for Agent Access Levels. This map shows how much control your agent has over your computer and your data. The goal: use these maps to identify your current level. Don't over-engineer. If a level 2 solution solves your problem, stay there. If you want to scale, however, look at the level 4 requirements. Download these PDFs now. Use them to plan your project before you write a single line of code. In the next video, I'm going to show you the claude.md file. This is the project constitution that makes sure that your AI agent is following your project rules every single time.